I never imagined I would be able to walk again. People told me I would never drive again. I never thought I would swim. I could never dream of flying one day. Chandigarh Spinal Rehab is not just a center for therapy, it's a movement. A brainchild of Nikki Kaur, the organization has started a quiet revolution that has transformed many lives. The remarkable story of the center began sometime in 2010. Nikki Kaur met Manmeet, who was paralyzed from neck down due to a spinal injury. It was a meeting of minds that would change her life forever.
And then I realized that India had very, very few rehabilitation centers for spinal cord injury and not a single home for them. That was the challenging time when I was searching for what I need to do, what is my purpose, and here was somebody who was quietly nudging me on and showing me the track.
The situation was grim. In India, on average, about 15 to 25,000 people suffer from spinal cord injuries annually due to accidents, falls, or violence, out of which only 1 in 10 patients are able to get any kind of specialized treatment.
मैं यूनिवर्सिटी के लिए जा रहा था अपनी स्टडी के लिए 12 दिसंबर 2020 को। तो अचानक ना पास के गांव में मेरा रोड के बैनर के साथ ना टकराव हो गया बाइक से और मुझे सी लेवल का इंजरी हो गया।
Moved by the magnitude of the challenges faced by such patients, Nikki Kaur pulled in all resources and contacts at her disposal to set up Chandigarh Spinal Rehabilitation Center in the city. Soon, patients started trickling in from all over the nation.
We have had patients who have not received any rehabilitation for 19-20 years post their injury. Our first patient, in fact, was Paramjeet Kaur, who got rehabilitation after 18 years post her injury. And she said, for 18 years, I've been lying on my bed and looking at the ceiling of my house.
Drawn by her heartfelt mission, many like-minded professionals soon joined hands, offering their services voluntarily.
Very often, when people come in for rehabilitation, they are also recovering from a lot of emotional trauma, because very often the wife has left the husband, or the husband has left the wife, or the family is broken, or financially they're done.
मैं 2017 में 1 अगस्त को आम तोड़ने के लिए पेड़ पे चढ़ गया था। उसके ऊपर से मैं गिर गया नीचे गिरने के बाद मेरे को स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इंजरी होगी। तो मैं तो ये सोचता था साहब कि मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है, इसलिए मेरा इलाज नहीं करा इन्होंने, पैसे की कमी के कारण। फिर मैं यहाँ से चंडीगढ़ स्पाइनल के ग्रुप से जुड़ गया, तो यहाँ पे मैम ने बुलाया मेरे को। तो उसके बाद जब मैं यहाँ पहुँचा तो उसी टाइम मेरी वाइफ मेरे को छोड़ के और 2 बच्चे लेके चली गई।
And then was the understanding that this is not going to be, the center that we create is not going to be a center for only one section of society. It has to be inclusive. It has to be for everybody.
Therapy in Chandigarh Spinal Rehab is a multi-layered process. Each patient passes through a detailed clinical evaluation before a medical treatment and physical therapy is determined.
We get all sorts of patients over here, like all spine injuries, cervical as well as lumbar, and we have cranial cases also, and mostly spinal cases with paraplegia. Sometimes we do receive the patients, they are into the impression like we'll be staying for a month and some miracle will happen. No, this doesn't happen. Our nervous tissue is made for that kind of thing, that it takes time for recovery, and from the time of injury, initial 6 months and 1 year is very important. During this period, most of the recovery that takes place, more than 90% in fact. So we have to constantly guide them, tell them it is going to take time, you better spend more time over here, so that we are able to rehabilitate you properly and to a full extent.
Goals are set for each patient at each stage of the rehabilitation.
The nurses will completely check the patient and see if there are any scars, any sores, anything that need to be dressed and healed. And in fact, I would say that in rehabilitation, the nurses are the core of the rehabilitation program.
Nursing in rehab setting is very different from the usual roles in hospitals and clinics. The prime role of the rehab nurse is to foresee the complications which possibly they may encounter in their life and give adequate awareness to avoid them. we have successfully treated grade 3 and grade 4 pressure ulcers without any surgeries in Chandigarh Spinal Rehab.
Sometimes it starts with a surgery.
We have treated a lot of patients who have come from, so I think they are doing a commendable job, Chandigarh Rehab Center, and from simple to complex cases have been handled at this center.
All the patients who are admitted here, I explain them how they can manage the sexual part of their life. And some of them, they go very happy whenever you explain to them, and they have been having normal sex life, and possibly some have got child also.
A little known aspect of spinal and brain injuries is dysfunctional bladder and bowel movement. With little or no strength in the abdominal muscles, excretory functions must be treated, relearned, or specially assisted. At Chandigarh Spinal Rehab, physiotherapy is a time everyone looks forward to. There is a sense of hope, camaraderie, and lots of interaction. There is vibrancy in the air.
For example, if it is a spinal cord injury, we know there are definite muscles which are working, there are definite muscles which are not functioning because of the injury. And so we mostly concentrate on to the strength and endurance of the active muscles. Most of the time the people will be in a dilemma to understand if my hand is already functioning, why do you want to strengthen it more and more? But that is going to help him to lead the active life on wheels or on the calipers and the crutches.
So his good and active muscles are his shoulder muscles, his biceps, and we are trying and making them stronger so that when we teach him shifting that is from bed to the wheelchair, he will be able to shift on his own and he will not require any support.
Come to the brain injury, it is more of the motor control. So you need to teach the brain, these are all the extremities present in your body, start responding to the thing. When it comes to certain conditions, say like the multiple sclerosis or any of the remyelinating conditions or the genetical conditions which will be progressive. So we need to reduce the rate of progression of the disease.
There is always something to rejoice about each day. One day someone learns to sit up on his own. Another, a patient is able to walk by himself.
So these little improvements add up to a big improvement in their lives, which bring finally the satisfaction and the happiness on their faces and ours as well.
2006 में बाइक से गिर गया था मैं और ट्रक वाला ड्रंक करके चला रहा, काफ़ी तेज़ स्पीड था। जब मैं गिरा तो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड में चोट लगी और उसके बाद से ही मेरे नेक के नीचे का हिस्सा पूरा पैरालाइज हो गया। जब मैं निकी मैम से मिला फर्स्ट टाइम तो उन्होंने ये मुझे बोला कि मैं आपको घर के एक कोने में नहीं देखना चाहती हूँ। मुझे सबसे पहले यहाँ पे सेंटर में एक ये मोटराइज व्हीलचेयर मिली और इस मोटराइज व्हीलचेयर के मिलने के बाद जो 11 साल तक लाइफ रुकी हुई थी वो अब भाग रही है। मैं फ़िलहाल चंडीगढ़ स्पाइनल रिहैब में एज ए सोशल मीडिया इंचार्ज और किचन सुपरवाइज़र के रूप में काम कर रहा हूँ।
The center takes special care to serve the most nutritious and delicious food at all meals. Meal times have become a joyful occasion to gather around in small groups and make friends. One of the first of the organization is the initiation of a peer training program.
You and me can say 10 things to a person who's just had an injury and they'll say, Gyan de rahe. But when a person who's had the injury and has gone through the whole process and has risen and come on top of it, and the guy is living a fantastic life, then they realize if he can do it, well, maybe I can. One and only center, I would say, where peer trainers are being trained by the peer trainers to go, and it's a ripple effect. And in COVID times, it has been difficult for people to reach rehabilitation centers. So these peer trainers are counseling them on the phones.
Advanced wheelchair training is an integral part of the Chandigarh Spinal Rehab. In the real world, special wheelchair skills are necessary to deal with rough terrain, steep slopes, ramps and barriers.
व्हीलचेयर कितना ज़रूरी होते हैं, तो एग्जाम्पल और कहीं शॉप में जा रहे हैं, उसे एक्सेसिबल नहीं है, 2-3 सीढ़ियाँ हैं, उसे कैसे चढ़ना कैसे उतरना है, वहाँ से व्हीलचेयर एक्सेसिबल टॉयलेट नहीं है, वहाँ से कैसे संभालना है, तो किस तरीके वहाँ संभाल के हम सुरक्षित तरीके बाहर आना है। सो ये चीज़ उनको समझाते हैं, उनके साथ साथ व्हीलचेयर से उनको सिखाते हैं। वो लोग भी पैदल में जा रहे हैं, हम क्यों नहीं व्हीलचेयर पे जा सकते, आप भी जा रहे हैं, मैं भी जा रहा हूँ, तो आपके पास पैर है, मेरा पास व्हीलचेयर है, मैं मेरा व्हीलचेयर को मैं पैर समझता हूँ।
At Chandigarh Spinal Rehab, the primary focus is to train patients deal with real life situations they would find themselves in. Visits to public areas like a chaotic vegetable market is encouraged to build confidence in adapting to the challenges of daily life. It is also a step towards self-acceptance. Vocational training forms another crucial step towards independence and leading a productive life.
कोई बाइक से ऑफिस जाते हैं तो उनको बाइक में शिफ्ट होना, बाइक से चलाना, खुद बाइक से चला के ऑफिस जाना, ऑफिस से फिर बाइक से उतर के ऑफिस में जाना, फिर ऑफिस में बैठे कंप्यूटर पे काम करना, वो एज ए ऑक्यूपेशनल थेरेपिस्ट हम पेशेंट को ट्रेन करते हैं.
In this, advanced shifting techniques are mastered to enable patients to use specially adapted private transportation.
This year we are incorporating this car driving as a part of therapy. We have almost trained around 10 to 15 for within 1 year, and the freedom of not depending on anyone, and with the vehicle modification able to travel anywhere, that gives more joy.
One of the most successful rehab outcomes that I can remember of late is of Gurbakshish Singh, a young man from Bhatinda. I think it is an inspiration to all persons to see how he lifts himself onto the tractor. We are training people even for car transfers, training them for toilet transfers and all of that. But here is an amazing example of tractor transfer.
India's first peer trainer is Sailesh Kumar, who started with Chandigarh Spinal Rehab in 2016. Not only has he achieved seemingly impossible feats on the wheelchair, but he has also completed a 42-kilometer marathon.
ऐसा कुछ भी संभव नहीं है जो इंजरी के पहले हम कर सकते थे वो इंजरी के बाद भी कर सकते हैं. आवश्यकता है कि उस काम को हम शुरू करेंगे तो शुरुआत में थोड़ा दिक्कत हो सकता है, मगर धीरे धीरे करते करते उस काम को आप अच्छी तरीके से आत्मनिर्भर होकर अपने जीवन को स्वतंत्र रूप से जी सकते हैं.
Collaboration and partnerships with international institutes brought in much needed expertise and technical know-how. The visitors were pleasantly surprised by what they saw.
I have been traveling around the world for different spinal centers. I was very happy to see that the quality of rehabilitation at Chandigarh Spinal Rehab corresponded to international standards.
The Chandigarh Spinal Rehab facility has done a phenomenal job. Not a lot of facilities in the area are doing car transfers for their tetraplegic patients, and that's something that the brave and ambitious therapists here at Chandigarh Spinal Rehab don't shy away from.
Restrictions due to COVID-19 has been an unwelcome development for the otherwise vibrant inmates of the rehab. Even during these tiring times, the center rose to the occasion to welcome a young patient from northeastern India.
I'm tired of the way that things have been. Ooh, the way that things have been. Ooh. It was 12th May 2020 in night over there. We were sleeping. 2 robbers suddenly came into my room. I retaliated. One robber shooted and pointed the gun at me and shooted. The bullet had caused my spinal cord to break. In Kolkata, I had many surgeries. I had come here during the COVID times through flight when the rehab was completed. It was again like a complete new start to me. This place was the thing that gave my independence back to me. A lesson from the brain, sing the beautiful.
And then comes the emotional healing, because this is where it's a very key factor. When they come in, very often, it's not just the bodies which are broken, but the spirit and emotions are also raw and broken.
Since its introduction, the residential patients have taken a surprising interest in the meditational course. Even the staff seem to enjoy it.
आपके शरीर की हालत जो भी है, अब फिर भी खुश रह सकते हैं. इस क्रम में हमने ये मेडिटेशन प्रोग्राम शुरू किया. I formulated this workshop called Be Happy. तो मैं मेडिटेशन को बहुत ही ज़रूरी समझता हूँ और इसको पूरी इम्पोर्टेंस देना चाहता हूँ, और उसी क्रम में हमने ये वर्कशॉप शुरू की है.
So we do yoga on wheelchairs, in which we have adapted the asana according to their needs, and we focus a lot on their breathing patterns. And we don't only do it for the person who has had spinal cord injury, but we also make the caretaker a part of it. अगर हमने अपने मन पे जीत पा ली, तो हमने दुनिया पे जीत पा ली.
Over the years, the center has celebrated many success stories. Quiet stories of self-confidence,
राइट साइड के स्ट्रोक जो हुआ है उसमें मेरा पूरा राइट साइड डेड हो गई थी, उसको रिकवर करते करते मुझे कम से कम 3 से 4 महीने लगे। अगर वो गाइड ना करते तो आई थिंक सो मैं अभी तक बेड पे होता। अभी उनकी गाइडेंस के कारण मैं ऊपर 3rd फ्लोर तक जा रहा हूँ।
पहले ना मेरे हाथ चल रहे थे, ना पैर हिला, ना मैं सीधी भी नहीं बैठ पाती थी। एक मल्टीपल स्क्लेरोसिस का पेशेंट जो सोच नहीं सकते इतना रिकवर करना, अब ऐसी कंडीशन है कि मुझे गेट अप करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है, आराम से खड़ी हो जाती हूँ। बैक मेरी इतनी स्ट्रेट हो चुकी है, नॉर्मली जब मेरे को बैठना होता है एकदम स्ट्रेट बैठ जाती हूँ।
रिहैब 2010 में एक्सीडेंट हुआ था इसका, तो उसके बाद हमारे को रिहैब का यहाँ का पता लगा। ना बैठ सकता था, ना हिलजुल था, कुछ नहीं था। अब यहाँ आने से बहुत फ़र्क पड़ गया, उठ के बैठ भी जाता है, तो पकड़ के खड़ा भी करते हैं। सुनील सर ने उनको चलाया भी है, यहाँ पे चलता भी था वॉकर पे, तो यहाँ आने से बहुत फ़र्क पड़ गया, इसको काफ़ी फ़र्क पड़ा।
She had a meningitis, so she had a full infection in the brain. She couldn't walk, she couldn't even turn into the bed. तो हमने किसी ने हमें रेफ़र किया सेक्टर 28 में चंडीगढ़ स्पाइनल रिहैब सेंटर है। जब हम वहाँ गए तो शी वॉज इन व्हील चेयर। आफ्टर 2-3 months दे शिफ्टेड आउट टू द वॉकर, तो वो पॉसिबल नहीं लगता था, तो उन्होंने इनको छड़ी थमा दी। इस ट्रांजिशन में काफ़ी मेहनत करनी पड़ी कि वो छड़ी पर आ गए, चाहे एक स्टिक लेके वो घूम रहे हैं।
मुझे ब्रेन स्ट्रोक हुआ था, उससे मेरी लेफ़्ट साइड बिल्कुल पैरालाइज हो गई थी और मैं बिल्कुल टोटली बेड रिडन थी उस टाइम पे जब मेरे को स्ट्रोक हुआ। तो वहाँ पे जब मैं गई तो वहाँ पे मेरे को लेग्स की पूरी प्रॉपर एक्सरसाइजेज करवाई उन्होंने। तो एक्सरसाइज उन्होंने इतनी अच्छी करवाई कि वो खुद को पता ही नहीं होता था कि मैं एक्सरसाइज भी करूँ। वोकेशनल थेरेपी करी उधर, तो उससे मुझे काफ़ी इम्प्रूवमेंट हुई, स्ट्रेंथ आई है एक्सरसाइज से, मतलब काफ़ी वहीं पे जाके बहुत इम्प्रूवमेंट हुई है।
Being a patient with special needs can be a lonely life. Hence, a strong sense of community has always been at the heart of Chandigarh Spinal Rehab. People who would understand each other and support one another.
जब कोई पेशेंट जाता है हमारे पास से, तो वो ये सिर्फ यही बोल के जाता है कि मैं जब भी किसी और सेंटर्स में भी गया हूँ, लेकिन वहाँ पर मुझे जस्ट एक सिंपल एक ट्रीटमेंट मिला है। बट यहाँ मुझे एक ट्रीटमेंट नहीं मिला, एक होलिस्टिक ट्रीटमेंट मिला है, और जिससे कि यहाँ पर मुझे लगता ही नहीं कभी कि मैं यहाँ पर ऐसे अपना ट्रीटमेंट करा के और कहते हैं कि हमारी एक फैमिली।
The center's work has been a powerful testimony to the fact that living with spinal injury is not only possible, there are indeed no limits to leading a vibrant, fun-filled, successful life.
So the idea is that they should live a good life, but for that, sometimes we have to do some crazy things. And we have done a lot of crazy things in our time. Like we have taken them for regular swimming, we've taken them for paramotoring, we took them for deep sea scuba diving in Pondicherry.
It's just because of all these small trips, whatever she thinks and she plans now, that we think nahi, we can go anywhere, where even normal person doesn't even think of going. We have that courage. Things have changed a lot, after coming to CSR.
Post their rehabilitation at Chandigarh Spinal Rehab, 6 young men found their calling through music and came together to form India's first band on wheels, Flowing Karma. This is what sets Chandigarh Spinal Rehab apart. At Chandigarh Spinal Rehab, there is a proper system of assessment, and if a patient has no financial resources and is from an economically challenged background, then his rehabilitation program is supported in entirety.
मेरा ट्रैक्टर से एक्सीडेंट हो गया, दिल्ली में मुझे स्पाइनल कॉर्ड इंजरी का ऑपरेशन हुआ। 6 साल पानी के मैं बेड पे रहता था, और गरीबी मेरा ऐसा था कि बहन लोग चावल दाल आटा पहुंचा जाती थी। इसी तरीक़ा से मेरा घर और बाल बच्चा किसी तरीक़ा से पल पोसा रहा था। हमको चंडीगढ़ रिहैब का पता दिए, मैंने वहां पहुंचा। हम पैसा लेके तो घर से आए नहीं हैं, मेरा इलाज कैसे होगा। लेकिन वहां का मैम इतना दयालु निकले कि हमारा इलाज उस दिन से चालू कर दिए, और 6 साल का बेड शू 15 से 20 दिन में ठीक कर दिए। सबसे बड़ी बात है कि वहाँ इलाज में मुझे एक पैसा नहीं लगा, वहाँ से एक व्हीलचेयर भी मिला। अपने जीवन में कुछ कमाने के लायक हो गए और बाल बच्चे के लिए 2-4 पैसा कमा भी लेता हूँ।
Till today, 43.75% of the patients have been treated free of cost.
I think we're proud in this that we have not even turned back one single patient if they are not able to pay. And the kind of treatment that this center gives to all, irrespective whether they pay or they don't pay, I think it is totally at the same level.
We are proud to state that 80.5% of them have gone back to leading productive and independent lives. The passing years brought recognition and appreciation from patients and public alike.
I'm very happy to be here, and I'm very happy to see this wonderful progress that we're making. I hope we make more and more progress.
Your dreams are very important to us. I keep encouraging all the people who come here to dream. And I ask them, what are your dreams? Because what is life if there's not just some dreams? And then only if they have the dreams, I tell them, can they make the dreams come true?
A new chapter opens up once again for Chandigarh Spinal Rehab, bringing new hope to many silently suffering souls across the nation. The years will pass, and yet we will stand true to our core values, to heal precious lives ravaged by tragedies, to ensure state-of-the-art treatment with compassion, beyond the boundaries of financial and class distinctions. We truly believe that love transforms.